So time is like 10 o'clock. So finish by 10:40.
Zubai, can do you want to make yourself comfortable? Do you want to put your jacket behind?
No, I'm good. That's fine.
Okay, Zubai, your seat belt is not made properly. Okay, Zubai, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Thank you very much for coming today. Examiner sitting behind us is only for assess me. It's
Alright.
nothing to do your driving.
Okay.
So as you mentioned me before, do you still want to do the junction today?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, at scale 1 to 10, what do you give yourself on a junction?
4.
For
I say 4.
so, what you want to achieve end of our lesson?
I mean, the rating?
Yeah, on a
what
scale-
do I want to score myself? Around 8.
Okay, so in the junction, how much help do you need from my side? You want to prompt you, or you want to talk? I want to talk through, or you want to do yourself?
I can use your help, sir, if you can prompt me.
Okay,
Thanks.
it's fine. Okay, so other than the junction, if anything else is coming during our lesson,
Okay.
do you agree to change our lesson plan?
Yeah.
If something happen like this, I'll pull over on some place on the left hand side and we'll discuss about it.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So can you say what is the weather condition today?
It's sunny.
Sunny.
Right here.
So do you know how to use a sun visor?
Yes, sir. You can pull this one. This.
Okay.
This
Okay.
is the sun, right?
Okay, it's fine. Okay, Zai, turn on your engine, move on when you're ready.
Yes.
Okay, Zoe, in this situation, we are in a busy road. You check your 6-point check, and you can put your indicator earlier if you see there's a loss of flow of the traffic. So you let them know you are trying to move on.
Okay.
Okay, and we are taking the first road on the left.
On the left.
Yes.
Okay.
Right, stop. Okay, so what you need to do just before move on?
And to prepare also.
So do you remember our routine POM?
Yeah.
What is the meaning POM?
Prepare, observe, and all.
So what is the mean for prepare?
Prepare myself.
So prepare myself what?
Before move on.
So prepare means we prepare our car to move on. So what in this situation our car is ready to move on?
No.
So what you need to do?
First.
Then you start checking O observation. O for observation. P is done. O for observation. Do the observation. Now M for maneuver. You can give your indicator because there are lots of cars coming. You can keep it on your indicator. Okay. Now you look them. If somebody is let you go, it's fine. If not, we'll wait for the opportunity. You need to wait for the gap.
Yeah.
Okay, this situation, do you have a gap? Why didn't take it before?
There is a truck
The
coming from me.
lorry let you go now.
Yeah.
But lorry, how far he was? What do you think? You can cross the road one time before the lorries come?
Yeah, but the traffic was here, so I didn't make a move.
Okay, sorry. So next situation, how can you adjust better?
I try to look on and then.
The lorry is slowing down. Okay, take the next road to the left. Okay, so in mini roundabout, follow road ahead. Very good, Miraj. Zoeb, why you didn't looking your right? Why you stop in the junction? Keep going, keep going. Why should you stop? Take the first road on the left. Left here. The indicator, indicator. Okay, Zoeb, can you see end of the road?
Yes, sir.
How much before we need to check our mirror?
5, 6 cars.
5, 6 car? No, we need to start checking our mirror 8, 7 car.
Okay.
Then when you are 6 car, 5, 6 car, you need to give an indicator. Okay, how much car we are far now from the junction?
10.
10. When should you start checking your mirror?
Now,
We're turning right.
turning right.
Yes.
Then I can put an indicator now.
Yeah, the right indicator on. And where should you position yourself?
To left.
Center to left.
To left.
Left to the center line. Okay, is a closed junction, open junction?
It's a close one.
So you need to peep and creep. Keep and peep and creep. Peep and creep. Can you see a car is coming?
Yeah.
Okay. So peep and creep. Peep and creep. Look left and right. Left and right. Left and right. Very good. Very good mirror. Now here, slow down, slow down, slow down. You cannot see anybody coming from in front of you, no?
Yeah.
So in this situation, you need to slow down. Okay. Can you see a van is coming?
Yeah.
Where will be our meeting point?
It will be okay. I'll take.
Now look at center left mirror, and he's stopping, so you can go. Now next crossroad, turn right. So why should you check your mirror?
Now,
And you can give your indicator. Now Zeb, slow down, slow down, slow down. Look how much we are from the left. Do you have space on the right?
no. Yes, we do have. You can
So
take.
you, in this situation is middle of the road. Keep going. So position your car left to the center line. Okay, Zeb, is a closed junction, open junction? Keep right indicator on. Keep right indicator on. Peep and creep, peep and creep, peep and creep, peep and creep, peep and creep.
Instructor, I want to pull up left, please.
Pull up on the left, Zeb.
Some safe place.
Be safe, please. Don't go more. This way. Secure.
Let's discuss 3 things happen.
Mhm.
Moving off, you have talked him through, so he was not able to move off safely. Hesitant. Then mini roundabout. You intervene it. So 2 things so far, and then in this junction, that approaching, so you're telling to slow down. So I'm looking up like you need to work on those one rather than going for a junctions. So moving off safely at the junctions, the roundabout observation. So work those one first before you go to any other junction.
Okay, so Amir bhai, in this area, change it. Move on when you're ready. End of the road, turn right. What do you think? This is open junction or closed junction?
It's a close one, sir.
So what do you need to do?
Need to be careful here.
Okay, Zoe bhai, just before we have a problem with our clearance gap. So how much gap should you keep from the parked car?
1 minute.
1 meter, huh? 1
1 meter.
1 meter. So how you judge 1 meter gap you are or not?
One door should be open. If it's open, you can pass
When
through.
doing or driving,
Yeah.
how you know? Do you have a reference point? Do you end of the road turn right?
Okay.
What do you think? Is open junction or closed junction?
It's a close one, sir.
Very good. Okay, now in this situation, I see there's nobody behind us. Okay, so how you know you in both sides there's a car park, no?
Yes.
So why should you keep your car
In the middle?
in the middle?
In the middle.
Yeah, middle of the road.
Yeah.
Okay, and end of the road, turn left. Okay, Zoeb, take the next road to the left.
To the left?
Yes. Very good. Now Zoeb, can you see there's a both side car park? Why should you keep your car
Middle.
in the middle? If there's only one side car park, how much distance should you keep from the car park?
1 meter.
1 meter. Very good. Okay. Can you see from here? It's mini roundabout is coming.
Yeah.
Can you see the sign?
Yes.
Okay. If you need to turn to the left on the mini roundabout, can you see van is coming?
Yeah, it is coming.
So why should be our meeting point?
It's in the middle. I'll take a left.
No need to put indicator because our position will be our indicator. You need to check your only your mirror. It's fine. Hold back here. Now what you need to do?
Indicator.
No. You need to check your mirror.
Mirror,
No
you
need to
said.
indicator. No need to put indicator. Because our position is our indicator. Okay, Zoe. So if you need to turn on the left in mini roundabout, is it open junction or closed junction?
Open.
Is open junction mini roundabout?
Yeah.
We turn left.
Turn left.
Yes.
Okay.
Is a closed junction. Mirror, indicator on, indicator on. Yeah. So what do you think? You can see there is any car is coming on the right.
No.
So why do you need to stop
Here.
on the giveaway?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you look your right.
Yeah.
Do you see anybody?
No.
So keep slowly look and turning. Keep turning. Keep turning. Okay. Now do you understand what you have done it before in the
Yes.
mini roundabout? So you didn't stop on the giveaway.
Okay.
Stop on the giveaway.
Instructor, go round again, please.
Okay. Take the next road to the left.
Alright.
Give
Look,
right to
wait, pedestrian. She's going around. You can go. Okay, can you see car is coming?
Yes.
Where will be our meeting point? Don't need to
Yes.
go. You can hold your position. You can hold it because how much gap do you have on the right hand side?
Yeah.
If you say a gap, you don't need to go to the left.
Okay.
Just hold your position. Okay, Zoeb. Very good. Good mirror. You're good positioning now. End of the road, we are turning left. And we are taking the first road to the left. Okay, Zoeb, what do you think? Is it open junction or closed junction?
Close. Left.
Yes. What do you think this junction of visibility? You need to stop or not?
We need to stop and check because there are car parked here. Okay.
Very good. And take the first road to the left. First road to the left. Very good, mirror.
And Instructor, if you can pull up left somewhere there on the left side, there's a space there.
Pull up after. Can you see there is a gap between the car on the left hand side? Pull up over there on the left hand side. If there's a driveway, ignore that time. Okay, it's fine. Don't need to go. Don't need to go further. It's fine. It's secure.
Fine. For the previous mini roundabout, who was doing it? You talk him in through, or he was doing it his own?
This
When we did earlier.
I tell him.
You talk him through, right?
Yeah.
So why not you involve him? Who got the priority there?
I tell him to check your right.
So why he is not checking right? Where he was looking at?
He is looking straight.
He is looking straight. So ask him, where is your right hand road?
Okay.
You know, because you're telling, I know he was looking straight. So where he should be looking, so ask him beforehand.
Okay. So before going to the junction, I need to ask who have got the priority in the mini roundabout.
Yeah. And see where he's looking and ask him, is that our right hand side?
Okay.
Yeah, fine. Over to you.
So in this roundabout, I see he's not looking. Then I intervene.
Yeah.
Is good.
But you could have done proactive and ask him to look where to need to look.
Only if I added this,
Yeah.
then will be fine.
Yeah.
The talk through was good.
Yeah. Talk to us is good. Yeah. But he was able to do, but we kind of not proactive there.
Okay. So another question, do you have it? In this kind of junction, when I see he's dealing the junction, I keep silence. It's fine.
Yeah.
If also he say prompt me,
Yeah.
but if I say silence, it's fine.
Fine. You ask him one question and let me do it.
Okay. So prompt mean talking, but not too much.
Not talking, not talk through. Asking question in good time, like you earlier asking the open close junction right on the junction. Right.
But now I have improved it. I ask two.
Like when you said end of road turn left, and you ask him is open or closed junction, right?
It's fine.
Fine.
Okay. Okay. Move on when you're ready. Okay, Zorbay, can you say mini roundabout?
Yes.
Do you know who have got the priority in mini roundabout?
People coming from right.
In mini roundabout, we are turning left.
Okay.
So what do you need to do?
Let's check.
Is it open
Indicator.
junction or closed junction?
It's a close one.
So why should you look in the mini roundabout?
For operation right to right.
Why should you stop?